Good evening. The state government is being accused of a cover-up over the death of Mason Jet Lee. Anastasia Palaszczuk had made repeated promises to release a report into how government agencies failed the Caboolture toddler. But as Tegan George reports, the Premier is refusing to make the findings public for now.
Mason Jet Lee died 3 months before his second birthday.
Mason Jet Lee should be enjoying Easter this weekend and his third birthday in August.
Instead, he died scarred and bruised from head to toe at his Caboolture home in June last year. The Premier promised Queensland would be told how the system failed him. That review is now finished, but the details will stay secret.
It was my opinion that to release the report either in full or in a redacted version would likely, to an unacceptable degree, likely prejudice the conduct of criminal proceedings.
3 people have been charged over his death, including his mother and stepfather. It could take years for their cases to be finalised and before we're told how the toddler slipped through the cracks.
This looks like and smells like a cover-up. In fact, it stinks to high heaven.
The report is one of 3 looking into Mason's death. Queensland Family and Child Commissioner Cheryl Byrne has reviewed them all and found they're incomplete because agencies aren't compelled to share information. It means they couldn't pinpoint whether individuals were to blame.
In the lead up to his death, he had many eyes on him, but no one truly saw him or did enough to protect him.
In response to the recommendations in the secret report, the government has announced a $41 million funding injection over 4 years.
And now, in a first, we are embedding child safety officers in the hospitals. This can only be a good thing.
But the opposition is questioning the government's timing.
And now, in the week of Easter, in the shadow of Tropical Cyclone Debbie and the floods that followed, we're seeing the release of this report.
4 child safety workers have been stood down over Mason's death. The Ethical Standards Branch is investigating 12 in total. Tegan George, 10 Eyewitness News.